car clip. I am currently headed to New Hampshire to go kayaking with my very best friend Amber. It's going to be a really good day. Frankly, right now we are both going through it. I don't want to say we're spiraling, but you know, I think we're spiraling. Today we're just going to take a day, we're going to go kayaking, we're just going to enjoy each other's time. I get to see her house for the first time. Yeah, so it'll be a nice relaxing day. I went to the gym this morning and I'm headed there from the gym, so overall I got a good start to my day. I'm really excited to see her. I haven't seen her in way too long, but it'll be so nice to just spend time with her, relax. Anyway, that's my day. Josh will also be vlogging today. It'll be in the next video, but that exciting thing I mentioned in a past vlog is happening today. So that'll be my next video, so make sure you are subscribed to see that, and also follow my Instagram @_RebeccaFred to make sure you're in the loop with current events instead of getting up to date a few days later. Hey vlog. This is my first time kayaking. Amber is here. She's the master kayaker. I'm spinning now, I don't know what to do. See you later. Amber, what beach is this?
This is Albee Beach.
Albee Beach. Really pretty. It's in Alton, New Hampshire. This is where Mount Major is. Check out my Mount Major hike if you haven't seen that yet. Back. Oh, the ducks are visiting us. We decided to get off our butt and walk. Yes. Amber somehow made it out of the house and to the beach without realizing she was there. This is good content. Good content. Good content. Oh! The kayak all the way over here. That boat was sunk like 2 hours ago. Amber found some blueberries. Look at this little collection. Whoa. With the ass shot. I love that for you. Okay. The crossed arms. You're looking for more blueberries?
I was looking for blackberries.
Blackberries? Find one. Baby wild blackberry. Cool. Look at that lily. What is up? As you can tell, I'm back in the car. Amber and I finished our lake day, and then I finally got to see her house for the first time. So overall, it was a really good day. We definitely needed some time to just like turn off and rant and just see each other. She's going on a trip to Hawaii, so I won't be able to see her for like a month and a half. So definitely needed some time together before she goes. As you can see, I am headed home. So if you like this, like it, comment something, and be sure to subscribe to see more days in my life. Stay tuned for my next video, which is our really exciting surprise. surprised with Josh.